In the name of the wide, in the name of flight, do you hear the wing beat? Blackbird, you climb into the night. You pull at clouds, you hunger for might. You toy with winds, you take nothing back. Your shadow opens, my heart breaks into lack.
Take me with you, take me away from the weight of this place, let me stray where time is a trap and a threshold wide to endless cold mornings we cannot hide.
Blackbird, take me with you, take me with you. Tear me loose from this earth's stubborn rift, over mountains, over seas so wide. Blackbird, take me with you into night, into time.
Blackbird, beside you I am small, yet near your wing I can be whole. We fly in silence, we fly blind. You carry the fear I cannot find.
Hold me when the wind would tear. Hold me when the road lies bare. When return grows empty and home becomes ache. Carry me when no one can break. Blackbird, take me with you, take me with you. Tear me loose from this earth's stubborn rift, over mountains, over seas so wide. Blackbird, take me with you into night, into time. Let me fly with you. Let me conquer your storms too. Let us float high and clear until freedom sounds like an ancient prayer.
When wings decide who we once were, then take me whole. Take me entire.
Blackbird, take me with you, take me with you. No return, no back, just flight and rift. We cross the seas, we leave it all behind. Blackbird, fly, take me with you into